Today I'm at West Mall, one of the neighborhood malls in Jurong East. Let's check out. There's a car show going on, Tesla, and the price is 184,000 onwards. This is expensive. This is how the car looks like. Pretty cool, right? And then there's a red color version as well at the back. I mean the front. It's a shop called Fuga, which sells like the mattress, the bed sheet and so on. Monia handbags, A6, Sony, and there's a Shake Shack burgers, fried shakes, hot dogs, which seem like popular with locals here. The branded travelers, you guess it right, the stuff for travelers, their luggages, handbags, water bottles, and much more. $30 cosmetics. The Skechers shop here, the logo is quite special, the triple S. There's a Tim Ho Wan restaurant, we serve the Hong Kong cuisine. This is the directory. I'll be going up to the level 5A roof garden to check it out. Wow, I've just arrived at the roof garden of the Westgate. Right here, level 5A is really amazing, the view and also lots of fresh air. A small garden right here. From here you can see there's a hotel, Genting Hotel with a 5-star. But I also wonder why people will stay in the west side, the hotel here, if they are tourists. So this is my question in my mind for a long time. Maybe I'll ask somebody. And now at level 5, there's my first school, which is kind of school for the kids. It's a private school by the way. There's also a Dr. Lash, some kind of beauty salon here. Moving now to level 4 now, I see there's a Xiang Hunan Cai, which is some kind of China cuisine and a cocoa art for the kids. Get 20% off and a free birthday key bag if you celebrate your birthday this August with them. There's also Yamaha Music Center at the corner. I see something colorful in front. There's a shop called the Box Hunt. Tree art, and there's a Bank of China popular bookstore. These are the items they have, limited items. Remind me of the Pop Mart in Singapore. Okay, the toys look sleepy now. Akalaba. There really some cool toy figurines here. Wow, this is a Zoo Move Village. You can rent a kiddie right here. There's a DBS local bank. I find it the best bank in Singapore, better than UOB and Citibank or HSBC, OCBC. There are more shops in front as Explore. There are massage chairs, of course they are not free. Right Age, My Chain Reading and Writing Educational School. There's also a Bank of China. And a toy game here, Doroki. You put in the token and then you turn it to get a toy, get a chance to get a toy. Popular bookstore, very favorite and local bookstore among the local Singaporeans. Then there's the clinic group. If you are sick, you can come here. Kiddie Place, Gym Eat, and a Stafford Learning Center. Going down to level 3, I see Oppo, Huawei, Scantic Signature, and Fuko Beyond Standards. There's an Epitex shop that sells the pillow, the mattress. There's a new shop called Uland. We have the plush toys and some games inside. StarHub, which is a telecommunication provider in Singapore. Let's see the view from this floor. Some nice kiddie games. Or the red color store is called M Top. And actually it sells some kind of household appliances. Oh, I noticed all is red color. There's a Paradise Hot Pot, Hong Kong style hot pot buffet, which is quite popular. I see like about 10 people queuing right now. Although it's about only 6 PM on a weekday. And the view from here to the lower floor, there's kind of mattress fair going on. The pillow, the mattress and the bed sheet. This shop is called M Top. All the stuff are red color. There's a dream shop here. Anyway, if you guys enjoyed the video so far, subscribe and like so that more people can find this video and watch together. Thanks very much. with the Tokyo Shukudo restaurant, Putian, which is very famous for their seafood. Star Photo Hub. And then that directions over there, it goes to the Jurong East MRT subway station as well as the bus interchange. There's also a flower shop called Knots. Yakiniku is a Japanese BBQ food. From $7.90 you get a pork and chicken set. There's also Genki Sushi and the Salonkan hot pot at the corner. Ikudo. There's even a street Ministry of Wax. I'm going up to level 4 again because I saw there's a kind of playground for the kids. Here there is. Oh wow, look at this. Those smiling sunflowers. And there are more things inside. Kind of slide or something for the kids. Oh, there's a smiling tortoise right there. They call it the Westgate Wonderland. I also saw there's an Indian restaurant called Anjapa, and you can learn ballet here at the ballet school. The view from level 4 down. Wow. Okay, the good news is there are still more games here. It's just like a kind of amusement park right here at the Westgate. It's amazing. And I think it's free entry because I don't see anyone selling tickets here. So anyone can walk in, but on rainy days it may be closed. I think it should be closed when it's rainy. Wow. And there's a slide for the kids. The kids are going out and play now. I like to see the view from the upper levels. Oh, look at that. The pandas, two pandas wearing the red color cap. As part of the HCC celebration, they're so cute. There's quite a number of the skincare center right here at the Westgate. And lots of restaurants. Like this one is a new restaurant called Sunan's, or maybe it's here for a few years, but I never explored it. And do you know that the Westgate links to another great mall? That is the gems I'll be exploring later. That'll be in another separate video. No, the Gems Shopping Center is just right in front with the Ding Xiao logo there as part of the restaurant. Heading downwards to level 2 and then check out. You stay tuned for the food and restaurant section at the basement in a short while. And by the way, this link way leads to another mall called the IM and to the Antefong General Hospital. There's a ladies shop called the Underground here, as well as a Roach by Barracks. A kind of mini fair in the center and a Vega shop there. There's a Eureka kind of chips here. General discovering new taste. And the Nalik Skincare Center, Sunny Step shoes. Then there's a Oroko Cosmetics. And then the Green Spectacle shop. The Own Day Spectacle shop. Vanilla, and there's a small shop. The Recoil fashion shop. Kimo and the wallet shop. Look at the cute capybara keychains. There's the wallet shop as well here. Sell lots of wallets and the play dress for women. Cloud9 Studio. Laura. Going now to level 1 where I'll make another way to the basement. And level 1 the Haagen-Dazs ice cream. Bison, Garmin, and the L'Occitane. And such a Royce shop. I think they sell some kind of chocolates. I can smell the fragrance of the food at the basement 1. There's sushi and a Sanuk Thai kitchen. There's a popular cake shop called Chatteras from Japan. I've actually bought a few cakes in the past. It's really nice and not too sweet. Like almost the restaurant, the food section is I think the most interesting. Not sure how you guys feel. There's a Lanzhou beef noodles right here in a popular restaurant called Shikaku with many people queuing right now. There's a food court called Food Junction. If you want to taste Singapore street food, you should come to the food court. A massage shop called Empire. Pharmacy Unity. There's a shop called Selfies DIY. And some sort of kitty rack right here. There's also a Better Vision spectacle shop. Japan Home sell lots of stuff on trolley, luggages. Oh, look at this. Luggage. There's also a KE TCM shop and a Spectacle Hut, Watson Pharmacy, and then there's a Asus or Asus laptop fair going on right now. 1299, you get a Vivo 649 as well. Harvey Norman electrical appliance shop. There's a nice mascot statue of the koi tail, and then the Polek French roast chicken. There's a colorful shop called the Moni Apparel. Great Singapore, still 25% off with purchase of 3 or more regular items. They win the shirt for the National Day, and it looks pretty nice. I found this toy shop, Sparkle. It sells many interesting toys. Young Curves. Some kind of food shop here, and then the tech house at the corner, and the Damson Arcade. It's a famous Yakun Toast. They're famous for their the coffee and the kaya toast bread. And check out the arcade for a while. I think there's a kind of VR experience. The China restaurant about the fish here, Tan Yu. Another new spa called N20 and the K-Card stand and salon. Wow, there's even a basement too, Gourmet Paradise. Let's check out. There's a Ming Chen Bibimbap or Ming Ting Pan Fan. Lots of customers, Jaga Scarlet. Supermarket, Minimart, and then Presto Dry Cleaners. Nam Chi Bao, where you can try the Singapore street food. Like the chicken rice, chicken curry rice. Mr. Coconut. There's some nice cooking stew, frying food. Cute little panda right here holding the Singapore flag. 2 panda in front and the 2 panda behind wearing the HG60 cap. And then there's Y Connection, Collins, Sephora Cosmetic, and some kind of pub at the corner. It's called the Rosette. A restaurant called the Green Dot here. A restaurant called Ajuma. Ajuma means like grandma. Alright, I'm going to end the video here. Thanks everyone for watching this video of the Westgate shopping mall in Jurong East. And take care everyone. I'd like to see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.